Imagine you're starting a business and need a lot of money to get it off the ground. Where do you go? A bank? Maybe a financial institution. But what if you need a more flexible, global solution? That's where Airwallex comes in. Airwallex is a financial technology company that offers a range of services, including global payments, currency exchange, and business cards. One of the most important questions you might have is, what is the maximum deposit you can make on Airwallex? The maximum deposit. Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The maximum deposit you can make on Airwallex depends on several factors, including your account type. Different account types have different limits. For example, individual accounts might have lower limits than business accounts. Your verification level. The more verified your account is, the higher your limits are likely to be. Your transaction history. Your past activity on Airwallex can influence your deposit limits. Your location. Limits can vary depending on where you're located. Factors affecting deposit limits. Let's dive deeper into some of these factors. Account type. Individual accounts. These are typically designed for personal use and may have lower deposit limits. Business accounts. These are tailored for businesses and often have higher limits to accommodate larger transactions. Verification level. Basic verification. This might involve providing basic information like your name and address. Enhanced verification. This could require additional documents, such as proof of identity or income. Full verification. This might involve a more rigorous verification process, including in-person verification. Transaction history. If you have a history of making timely payments and avoiding suspicious activity, you are more likely to have higher limits. Conversely, a history of late payments or fraudulent activity could result in lower limits. Location. Local regulations and economic conditions can influence deposit limits. Some countries or regions might have stricter regulations that limit the amount you can deposit. How to increase your deposit limit? If you're looking to increase your deposit limit on Airwallex, here are some tips. Verify your account. The higher your verification level, the higher your limits are likely to be. Maintain a good transaction history, make timely payments, and avoid suspicious activity. Contact Airwallex support. They can provide specific information about your account and how to increase your limits. The maximum deposit you can make on Airwallex depends on several factors, including your account type, verification level, transaction history, and location. By understanding these factors and taking steps to improve your account, you can potentially increase your deposit limits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.